your next challenge is called Create Phone Number. This one's from the 6 Caillou category. Write a function that accepts an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 that returns a string of those numbers in the form of a phone number. They provide one example here with the numbers from 1 through 9 with a 0 at the end, and then they show you the format of the phone number that they want, which is the area code in parentheses, leave a space before starting the rest of the phone number, and then finally 3 numbers followed by a dash or a hyphen, and then the remaining 4 values. The return format must be correct in order to complete this challenge, so they warn about this space that they use. You definitely see them printed the other way where there is no space there. They say they want a space there, so be sure to do it that way. Go ahead and pause the video and crank this one out. Come on back when you're ready. So first thing to do is, I don't trust people. I want to see that this numbers array has exactly 10 digits, right? It should be 10. So if it's not equal to 10, I'm just gonna throw an exception. I don't anticipate this firing off, but you would want to put a meaningful message in here. So, and then, yeah, the remaining part is to sort of, I'm just going to build this string out, and what I'm going to do is make this name a little bit smaller so I can write it all out. So I'm just going to do something like, remember with this $sign prefix to the strings, we can use it. It allows us to insert values right in between the curly braces. We've done that in other challenges, so that shouldn't be new. So let's start. I literally want an opening parenthesis to start the area code. Then I'm going to insert the first 3 numbers, which are the area code. So I'll just copy that, call this nums1, call this nums2, and then I'll close it. And then we're going to leave that space. I should say that if you're in the IDE, these values in the curly braces look a lot better. You know, they color differently so that you can see it's the variable, and you don't really have that indication here, which is unfortunate, but you get the convenience of coding right from your browser. So let's do the rest of it. Since I already have 3 numbers grabbed here, I'm going to copy that and just update the values to 3, 4, 5 of the input. We know they're separated by a hyphen, and then we'll put the last 4 values in there. I'll update their indices 9, 8, 7, and 6. Okay, and yeah, we got our space, we got the hyphen. Oh, excuse me. So I think that should make the string that we need. I'll go ahead and run a test. The name, numbers, oh sure, I renamed the input parameter, so let's match that. And I'm probably going to get in trouble for argument exception, I can see, so let's bring in system. We know we need system to use exceptions. Try again. There we go. Favorite color, green. Run the full attempt. You could come down and look at the tests as usual, but in this case we're all green. So yeah, I just kind of brute forced printed the numbers out in the format that they wanted. I'll go ahead and submit this, get our points. Oh, we're moving real slow. And then yeah, I'll take some time and look through some of these others. See, I probably should have did this too, just down to one letter. You can make it really small, easy to see. But yeah, this was the same approach that I took. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Otherwise, yeah, go ahead and take a look through these solutions as well. They have some neat stuff to consider. Thanks for watching.